Hello travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the world. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the iconic city of San Francisco, California. But before we dive into the charm of the city by the bay, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mesmerizing travel content. Now, let's soar into the beauty of San Francisco. Nestled along the rugged California coast, San Francisco is famous for its stunning landmarks, diverse culture, and picturesque landscapes. This city is a must-visit for every traveler. Whether you're strolling through the vibrant streets of Chinatown or gazing at the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco offers a unique blend of history and modernity. As we soar over the city, let's delve into the fascinating history of San Francisco. In 1776, a Spanish mission named San Francisco de Asís was established, marking the birth of this incredible city. Fast forward to the mid-19th century, and San Francisco became synonymous with the promise of prosperity during the California Gold Rush. Prospectors from all corners of the globe flocked here, turning this quiet outpost into a bustling metropolis practically overnight. The gold rush brought not just fortune seekers but also visionaries who saw the potential of this extraordinary place. The city rapidly evolved into a melting pot of cultures, drawing people from Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The Barbary Coast, a notorious district during this era, became synonymous with a wild and boisterous atmosphere, reflecting the city's untamed spirit. As the 20th century dawned, San Francisco continued to redefine itself. In 1906, the city faced a severe setback with the devastating earthquake and subsequent fire that razed much of the urban landscape. However, true to its resilient nature, San Francisco rose from the ashes, rebuilding with determination and innovation. The mid-20th century witnessed a new chapter as San Francisco became a hub of counterculture, with the Beat Generation and the Summer of Love in the 1960s. The city embraced diversity, creativity, and social change, laying the groundwork for the progressive spirit that still defines it today. San Francisco's skyline underwent a modern transformation in the latter part of the 20th century. The rise of Silicon Valley turned the city into a global tech epicenter. Companies like Apple, Google, and Facebook became synonymous with innovation, further propelling San Francisco into the 21st century as a beacon of technological advancement. Today, as we glide over this cityscape, we see not just skyscrapers but a testament to centuries of resilience, adaptability, and progress. San Francisco stands as a living canvas that paints the story of the American West, from its humble beginnings to the forefront of technology and culture. As our journey through San Francisco unfolds, let's not overlook another architectural marvel that gracefully spans the bay, the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. This iconic structure, often overshadowed by the fame of the Golden Gate Bridge, holds its own historic significance and engineering prowess. Connecting San Francisco to Oakland and the East Bay, the Bay Bridge is a vital link that unites the diverse communities on either side of the bay. Its construction is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, rising from the challenges posed by the Great Depression and the destructive earthquake of 1989. The Bay Bridge actually consists of two spans. The western span, often referred to as the San Francisco side, and the eastern span, connecting to Oakland. The western span, a cantilever bridge with its towering double towers, is a historic relic that has witnessed the city's evolution. As we appreciate the grandeur of the Bay Bridge, let its dual spans be a metaphor for the dual facets of San Francisco, a city rooted in history yet constantly reaching towards the future. So, let's continue our exploration, crossing the bay and discovering the myriad wonders that make San Francisco a city like no other. As our journey continues, let's focus on one of the most iconic structures that graces the cityscape, the Golden Gate Bridge. Completed in 1937, this breathtaking suspension bridge is not merely a feat of engineering. It's a symbol of San Francisco's resilience and a gateway to the Pacific. The Golden Gate Bridge spans the Golden Gate Strait, the entrance to San Francisco Bay from the Pacific Ocean. Its distinctive orange hue, officially known as International Orange, not only provides visibility in San Francisco's frequent fog but has also become a defining characteristic of the city's skyline. The Golden Gate Bridge, stretches over 1.7 miles, connecting the city of San Francisco to Marin County. During its construction, the Golden Gate Bridge faced numerous challenges, including strong tides, frequent storms, and the dense fog that often blankets the strait. Yet, against all odds, it emerged as a triumph of engineering, with its towers soaring 746 feet into the sky and its main span stretching an impressive 4,200 feet. The bridge not only serves as a vital transportation link but is also an architectural marvel that has withstood the test of time. Its Art Deco styling, featuring graceful towers and sweeping lines, adds to its timeless elegance. As we venture further into the heart of San Francisco, our next stop is a cultural gem that's both vibrant and steeped in history, Chinatown. Nestled within the city, San Francisco's Chinatown is not just a neighborhood. It's a living testament to the rich tapestry of cultures that make up this incredible city. Established in the mid-19th century, San Francisco's Chinatown is the oldest and one of the largest Chinatowns in North America. As we wander through its bustling streets, you can feel the energy, hear the rhythmic sounds, and smell the tantalizing aromas that define this dynamic community. As you explore Chinatown, you'll be immersed in a world of color, from traditional Chinese architecture and ornate temples to vibrant markets filled with an array of exotic produce. The streets are alive with the pulse of daily life, as locals and visitors alike navigate the narrow alleyways lined with shops and eateries. Nestled in the heart of the city, the Palace of Fine Arts is an architectural masterpiece that transports us to a realm of tranquility and artistic splendor. Conceived by architect Bernard Maybeck, the Palace of Fine Arts was originally constructed for the 1915 Panama Pacific Exposition, a World's Fair that celebrated the completion of the Panama Canal and showcased San Francisco's resilience after the devastating 1906 earthquake. The Palace of Fine Arts was designed not only to showcase art but also to provide a serene space for contemplation and reflection. The lagoon, with its resident swans and ducks, adds a touch of natural grace to the grandeur of the architecture. While the other structures from the 1915 exposition were intended to be temporary, the Palace of Fine Arts struck a chord with the city's residents. Its popularity led to its preservation, and the current structure, a faithful reconstruction completed in the 1960s, stands as a testament to the enduring appreciation for beauty and culture. As you prepare for your own journey to San Francisco, let's delve into some essential travel tips to ensure your visit is as seamless and enjoyable as possible. Firstly, when it comes to language, English is the predominant language spoken in San Francisco. However, you'll find that the city's diversity is reflected in the numerous languages spoken by its residents. So, don't be surprised if you hear snippets of Mandarin, Spanish, or even Italian as you traverse the streets. Now, let's talk about safety. San Francisco, like any major city, has its nuances. While it's generally safe, it's advisable to stay vigilant, especially in tourist-heavy areas. Keep an eye on your belongings, be cautious of your surroundings, and use well-lit paths when exploring at night. As for currency, the United States dollar is the accepted currency throughout San Francisco. It's always a good idea to carry some cash, especially for small purchases, but credit cards are widely accepted. ATMs are also plentiful, making it easy to withdraw cash as needed. When it comes to accommodations, San Francisco offers a diverse range of options to suit every budget and preference. From luxury hotels with panoramic views to charming bed and breakfasts nestled in historic neighborhoods, you'll find a myriad of choices. Booking in advance is advisable, especially during peak tourist seasons. Now, let's touch on transportation. San Francisco's public transportation system, including buses and cable cars, is an excellent way to explore the city. Additionally, rideshare services are readily available. If you plan to venture beyond the city, consider renting a car to explore the stunning landscapes of the Bay Area. And finally, the weather. San Francisco is known for its microclimates, so layering is key. Even in the summer, you might encounter chilly temperatures and fog, especially near the coast. Pack accordingly, and you'll be ready to comfortably explore the diverse neighborhoods and outdoor attractions the city has to offer. As our journey through San Francisco comes to a close, we want to extend our gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this exploration of the city by the bay. Your engagement and enthusiasm make these travel adventures all the more meaningful. If you found inspiration or if there's a particular moment that resonated with you, don't hesitate to hit that like button. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you the best of the world's wonders. Now, it's your turn to be a part of the conversation. Share your own travel tips, experiences, or if you have questions about San Francisco, drop them in the comments below. Let's create a vibrant community where fellow travelers can exchange insights and recommendations. Safe travels to those of you planning your San Francisco adventure. May your journey be filled with discovery, laughter, and unforgettable moments. And, of course, for more exciting travel experiences and breathtaking destinations, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your next adventure is just around the corner, waiting to unfold. Until then, Wanderlust Warriors, take care, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next leg of our global exploration. Happy travels!